turn that into an emote now. That's actually a good one. Come on, chef. I like it. I think we can do that. Wait, hold on. No, hold on. Don't know. That sounds so bad when you say it out loud. Come on, anything. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And we got something pretty cool today. It combines gaming and it combines cooking. And we all know gamers, they don't like to cook for the most part. Now, I'm going to give you a quick, simple, easy recipe that all gamers like. And not only that, it's what they eat. It's what their diet consists of. Pizza pockets. Now, I'm going to show you with a few simple ingredients how easy this can be. So, the few things that you're going to need to pull off this quick and simple homemade pizza pocket is shredded mozzarella, some pizza salami diced up, either that or you can use pepperoni or you can use a mixture of both. The possibilities are endless. And the last thing that you need, and this is the biggest time saver, and you can do a lot with this next ingredient I'm going to show you, and it is pizza dough. You can usually find it in frozen section in your grocery store or in the bakery section, either fresh or frozen. Either or is great. And it's this stuff right here, frozen pizza dough. Now, all I did, take it out of the freezer, thaw it in the fridge overnight, and you're good to go. So now we're gonna start making, or now we're gonna get ready to cut, portion, and shape this. So, well, let's get to it. All right, so now, just gonna roll it. All right, let's assemble these. All right, so hit this with pizza sauce. 2 tablespoons. Good chunk of that pizza salami. And a good bunch of cheese. Okay. There we go. Now we're just gonna fold it over. We take them and we fold them back over on themselves. You're going to take your knife, you're going to make a small slit up top on an angle. Okay. I'm going to brush it with butter. Okay. Some places brush it with oil, but well, as we know, butter is flavor, baby. Butter is flavor. Those are going to go in the oven for about 10, 15, 20 minutes. Actually, they're going to go in until they're done. Okay. We're gonna hit them with some butter. There they are there. That looks fucking good. Super simple, super tasty. There's no reason why you can't make this at home. We used all pre-made product from our pizza sauce, our grated mozzarella, and the biggest one is the frozen pizza dough. And I highly recommend it. It packs easily for lunches, and it's a great treat for your kids as well. But like I said, it's gamer food on a budget. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'd be dipping this in ranch with every bite. This is so good. But I'm a big fan. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with these.